I'm in the middle of packing up the apartment because myself and Roxanne are going to be moving out of London in the next couple of weeks. Because if you guys have missed it in a previous video, we've applied to move to Australia. Long story short. I'm going out to go and shoot with a 35mm lens today. Haven't done it before. It's going to be sick. It rained a lot. You'll see. And at the end, there's a really cool photo that I took, which I think epitomizes street photography. Okay, it is prime conditions. It is rainy, it is horrible, it's fucking disgusting. But we're out with a 35mm 1.4 Sony A7S4. Sony A7 IV. Fuck, it's heavy. Jeez, it's hail. Let's get some fucking nuts shots here. Oh my god, it is dripping wet. Gonna push up a little bit. I want to get someone walking in the rain. Let's get this dude walking towards me. It is actually mega wet. Like, it was completely blue sky and it just threw it down. So I was like, I have to get something. Maybe we'll get this person with an umbrella. Oh, kind of turning on the swivel, didn't really work. So me and Oscar are going to be heading probably down towards Bank, but it just absolutely pissed it down. So we just had to get something. Maybe we can get a reflection. Oh. Excuse me, can I ask a question? Would you be able just to walk across the frame? Yeah. I won't be able to see your face, it just has a subject in the frame. Yeah, would that be right? Thank you. Yeah, just walk straight across, yeah. Yeah. Perfect, thank you. Sick, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Woo! We even got some thunder and lightning, which is sick. Oh, moist.
That is unreal. I could be also on the phone now.
Oh my god. Wow.
How is it?
Moist. There's this dude here running, and I want to get a shot of him running, so I'm also going to run. Oh, I don't know if I can do this while I'm running. Ah. This is my life, it's fucking hilarious. Oh, reflection shot, surely. Sick. Oh, so moist. I don't know if that shot worked. Oh, I did get one of them running actually. It's just easing up a bit now, which is get these people here. I mean, when it pours like that, you just got to get where you can. We're going to head down to Bank now, so. Whew. Yeah, I wish I had the 7200. 7200. Okay, so there's a dude up here with his dog. And if I just kind of chill here, he'll walk into my frame. Oh, so sick. What a great shot.
That was pretty nuts, right?
Umbrella. Yeah, it does look.
Hell yeah.
This kind of like fire gate here, and on top you've got a reflection of St. Paul's, because obviously it's just rained really hard. This is nice and reflective. And at 35mm, that's really nice. If I kind of get St. Paul's on the right hand side, and we'll get this dude on the left hand side walking into the frame. This is nice. This is actually real nice. Okay, we made down the bank, as you can see. Blue sky, rain. Blue sky,
rain. Let's go.
Rain. So we're gonna get the rain before the blue sky comes back. Because as much as it's nice to see some summer, I prefer the rain for shooting in. So I'm gonna get one of this puddle, which is quite nice actually.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
Can't really see what I'm shooting because it's really bright. I kind of want a cyclist or something. Actually, I want just the droplets. Fuck it. I'm just gonna get the droplets in the puddle because I think it looks really nice. So just tap to focus. Ah. I was trying to get a cyclist really quickly kind of worked. Focus on the cyclist. Whoa, that's sick. Look at that.
That's so cool.
That's so bright. Like, it's incredibly bright. You've got the rain. Maybe we'll just get the bus. I've got it on a higher shutter speed so I can get kind of the droplets, but it's so hard to get everything in one. It's so nuts. See if we can get this cab here with the sun. Pretty sick. Okay, so we're walking towards the Lloyd's building, and there's this reflection here. I don't really know what I could do with it, but maybe there's something. Oh, did I get that person? It's actually quite difficult to shoot because it's so bright. Okay, I think I just got a cyclist. Yeah, I'll take that. I quite like that. Looks pretty sick. Oh, hello. Oh, nice. It's alright.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Does this geezer want a photo? Does he want one? Does he want one? He loves it. Have a good night. All over. So we're at 320th of a second.
Oh, yeah.
F1.4. Oh, this is such a sick shot. I think this might be my favourite shot of the day.
That's unreal.
Oh, yes! Yeah! What a shot! Oh, guys!
Dude.
Hey, look! Oh, yes!
That's sick.
The dude was looking for a taxi, and these turned out sick. Now, at the beginning, I spoke about taking a photo that epitomized for street photography, and that's what me and Oscar were looking at then. Basically, there was a dude that had a newspaper over his head and stopping the rain, and it looked so you can see it on the screen, and it looked so incredibly like unique, and that's never going to happen again. And I think that's what I love about street photography is like you capture these like raw moments that are just one-offs. It's never going to happen again. That's the one time it's going to happen. And I think that's a really cool thing. We're going to have a look at the hashtag in a moment. There's presets and link to Oscar's channel in the description. Also subscribe if you'd like to. Myself and Roxanne are currently, like I said at the beginning, packing up. So we've solved most of the plants. Still got boxes of stuff to sort out. But yeah, we're moving out of London in the next month or so. But let's have a look at the hashtag and we can see what you guys have been creating, which in turn inspires me and hopefully inspires you guys as well. Okay, so we're going to throw a screen record on and we're going to go down the most recent. We're going to go there, do a little refresh just in case there's any that I've missed. No, there we go. Going to go down from here and we're just going to pick out some. This one's really cool. Love the lighting, love the colors, love everything about that. The ominous figure in the middle, really love that. Going down a bit more. Oh, what a great shot. I love how you've used the fencing as a frame of the surfer. And this kind of touches on a little bit more of what I want to be doing when I move to Australia eventually, is I want to do more, I don't know, more different types of photography, not just like street and car. I don't know. I don't really know myself. I'll let you know when I find out. And it's okay not to know. Going down, let's go with, ooh, we'll do a scroll. Oh, no, that one's sick, that one there. Really love that. Love the archway, like of the natural archway of the trees. And panning shot here of like a racing car, which is really cool. It's really tack sharp as well. Love that. Let's do 3 more. Another shot here. I love that. Like the ominousness. Is that even a word? The ominousness. Well, I've made it up. That's a cool shot. Love it. And let's just do, we'll do 1 more. So I'll do a little scroll and we'll stop on this page here. And we will pick one from this. This is really, really simplistic. But the shading, like the shadows, like, you get what I mean? Like, it's really cool. I mean, how can you make something so, like, basic look really sick? I really love that. I can imagine that in, like, a gallery somewhere. Just on a blank white wall. Just that canvas. Oh, it looks sick. If you do want to get featured, you can use the hashtag OpticalWander if you'd like to on the photos that you post on Instagram, and that's how I can see it as well. And whenever I am going out, I do tend to go through it and have a look to get inspired. So that's cool. Look at the cat, kitty. If anyone's wondering, the cat is also coming to Australia with us. With all that being said, create more, stress less, and see you in the next one. Yeah, see you later. Bye.